Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification on this phone. And obviously you can see that the one that I have right here is locked, and I could either unlock it using the verification pattern that was previously set or using the Google account. There we go. And there is the account. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, what we'll do is go back to the Wi-Fi connection page, which I'm not sure if I didn't just skip. No, there we go. So right here, and you do want to connect to Wi-Fi. As you can see, I already am connected right over here. And once you have connected to some Wi-Fi, scroll down to Add Network. In the SSID field, you want to type in youtube.com. Once you have typed it, hold it. This will select the text and then give you a couple options. So you want to tap on the chain link right here, which will redirect you to YouTube. Once you have opened that, and tap on the accounts, go to settings, about, and then YouTube terms of service. And you want to open it up with Mi browser. Oh, there we go, there is a skip button. Agree and continue. And once you have opened that, you want to tap right at the top on the search bar and type in HardReset.Info/bypass. Like so. Or not. I misspelled it. There we go, I think now it's correct. Yep. Okay, so once you type in correctly the address like I did, you want to scroll down to settings, open it up by simply tapping on it, and now you want to scroll down to special features, select second space, and simply turn it on. Now there's two alternatives that can happen right now. Number one, it will work by the first try and just enable itself. And the second option, it will not. It will glitch out and open up second space, at which point if you didn't see this screen right here, but for instance you see already a home screen of some sorts, hold the power key and reboot the device and retrace the steps from the beginning again. So just start the video from the beginning and get back to here. The second time around it should work. Now anyway, from here, once you see that created successfully the second space, you want to tap on continue. Then you want to make sure you select the use a shortcut, continue, and skip setting a passcode. And you will see the second space. Now you can define which space it is based on the fact that second space does not have wallpaper. As you can see, it's just a static color behind, while the first space will have a normal wallpaper. Now anyway, once you see this screen right here, the specific one with this kind of wallpaper, you want to hold power key and simply select reboot. And as you can see, once the device boots back up, you will have a lock screen, so let's simply unlock it. Give it a second and it will glitch into the home screen. And there we go. As you can see, there is a background behind. That means that we are right now in the first space and not the second one. So what you want to do now is simply navigate to settings, select about phone, and scroll down to backup, or not backup, but factory reset right here. Choose erase all data, factory reset, and now we need to wait 10 seconds to press next and then another 10 seconds till we get to press OK. Now once you tap on the OK, like so, this will begin factory resetting your device, and once the process is complete, the device will be fully unlocked. Now it will be back in the setup screen, but at that point you can set it up however you like. The device will be fully unlocked, so you can do whatever you want with it. So I'm just gonna let it run and come back once the process is actually finished. So as you can see, the factory reset has now been completed, and now you can set up your device however you like. Now once more, I'm gonna go through the setup fairly quickly, skipping majority of the things I can, but like I said, you can set it up however you like. And there we go. As you can see, we're now on the home screen with the device fully unlocked. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.